Hey guys, today I'll be showing you exactly how affiliate marketing works. I've got this diagram just on the left here. So step number one is that the customer shows an interest in buying a product. So they do either a search on the search engine or they visit through a social media page. Step number two is that the customer reaches your site and reads your niche content that you've created in the form of a blog post or a video. Step number three is that the customer then buys the product based on your recommendation. So they would then click an affiliate link, which takes them to one of these retailers such as Walmart, Nike, AliExpress, Amazon, or eBay. And then step number four is that you make money. So you make a commission based on your affiliate link that the customer has clicked, and you can earn from 1 to 75% on every sale, depending on the product. So that's a very brief explanation of affiliate marketing. The diagram was produced by WA Wealthy Affiliate, which is a great training platform. And if you want to start a free starter account to learn more about affiliate marketing, then there is a link in the description to get your starter account. So now I'm just going to go into a bit more detail on each stage and exactly how you can improve your chances of reaching all the way through to step number four to make money with affiliate marketing. So step number one, so your customer does a search or visits through social media. So the Wealthy Affiliate platform has lots of training on how to improve your rankings in search engines. So if someone's searching on Google for a product, you want to be near the top. Your blog posts want to be near the top, your website. The training on that is great for that. But also on your social media, you want to be able to engage with the audience, build up a following. So then when someone is looking in your niche and they see a product that they like, they then follow through and go to your website. Step number two is creating your niche content. You, of course, want your content to be engaging, capture the attention of the audience, and you want your website to be trustworthy. The Wealthy Affiliate goes in, has tutorials on all these things, how to build your brand, how to write engaging content, how to write consistent content and build a plan to get your site to a good position that customers will go to and trust and will take on your recommendation for the product that you recommend. Just on step number three, you have a select few retailers here, some of the some of the major ones in the online world, but there's thousands of affiliate programs in all sorts of niches. So you are not limited to these at all. You can, if you had a website on, tennis, for example, there are dozens of affiliate programs that you'd be able to use their links and send your customers to their website to buy the product. So there's thousands of different affiliate programs. Do not feel like you're limited to just these. One thing WA has taught me is just how how massive the online world is, how much opportunity there is with affiliate marketing. There's thousands of niches and millions of products that you can recommend. There's affiliate programs for anything you can think of. So step number three, um, you know, whatever your website covers, you'll be able to find affiliate programs to get your customers to buy the products. And step number four, of course, is making money. So that is the more customers you can bring to your website, the higher your conversion rate, which is how many people click onto your links and buy the products, the more money you can make. And you can absolutely make a full-time income with affiliate marketing, with building niche websites or your own YouTube channel recommending products as well. So I definitely recommend affiliate marketing to you guys. If you want to try out a free starter account. As I said, there's a link below in the description. You can set up your first website entirely free with the training. So it's definitely the place to start. And if you like what you see, you can then upgrade to premium, but there's no obligation to do so. So you've really got nothing to lose by trying out this if you're interested in affiliate marketing. And in a few months or a year's time, you could have your own website up and running, earning passive income, which will allow you to, quit your job, go traveling, do whatever you want. Once you have passive income, then you can make money while you sleep, while you play, while you're out and about. So it's a great tool to have at your disposal for earning income. So anyway, that's affiliate marketing in a nutshell, guys. If you like the video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks, and see you next time.